Our next topic is another benefit which omlox will provide to you, and this is ultra-wideband core zone. And let me introduce you this one. So today, if you buy an ultra-wideband system from one vendor, or from another vendor, or from a third vendor, they're all proprietary system. And by saying that, you cannot mix any hardware components from different supplier, because each vendor defines its own air interface. So what we have done now with omlox, we have specified this infrastructure, the air interface, meaning by the communication between the infrastructure and a tag. And that now allows us to integrate any kind of ultra-wideband tags, like here from WebTag or a omlox tag, or even though from SIG ports with e-ink displays, or from TRUMPF, you can easily integrate that, and this is now a scalable solution and interoperability of the hardware components.